Hi everyone. With a lot of multi-purpose spray currently in the market, it might be difficult for you to make a decision on which one to use. However, if you do like quality, I would recommend you use Worth Multi. Worth Multi is a multi-purpose lubricant. It has 5 characteristics, namely it lubricates, it removes rust, it cleans, it protects, and it displaces moisture. It has a Cobra head for 2 applications, one like this and one like this. It can also be sprayed all around, and it has a 360-degree nozzle. Inside this tin there's 400 milliliters of product and 120 milliliters of propellant. This product also has excellent creeping ability. Multi, used by everyone all over the world, in workshops, in any industry.